Citroën is reimagining road trips in the most nostalgic yet futuristic way possible. Introducing the 2026 Citroën Type Holidays, a modern electric camper van that pays tribute to the legendary Type H while delivering the comfort, efficiency, and smart tech that today's adventurers demand. Whether you're chasing sunsets or city lights, this van is built for freedom, style, and unforgettable journeys. Let's dive into what makes this rolling holiday home so unique. The Type Holidays is fully electric, built on Citroën's new modular electric platform. It comes equipped with a 100 kilowatt motor and a 50 to 75 kilowatt battery option, giving you a range of up to 300 kilometers on a single charge, ideal for exploring coastlines, mountains, or countryside roads. The motor delivers smooth torque, perfect for relaxed cruising and city navigation. And thanks to Citroën's focus on comfort, the Type Holidays includes progressive hydraulic suspension, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride, even on rougher terrain. It may look vintage, but it drives like the future. And don't worry about long trips. Fast charging support means you can get up to 80% battery in just 30 minutes. So grab a coffee, stretch your legs, and you're back on the road in no time.
Step inside, and it's like entering a boutique hotel on wheels. The interior of the Type Holidays is where retro charm meets smart living. You'll find swiveling front seats, a compact yet fully equipped kitchenette, a pop-up roof for extra sleeping space, and even a fold-out bed. It's everything you need to live, sleep, and travel in total comfort.
Warm wood accents, soft lighting, and modular furniture make the interior feel cozy, adaptable, and premium. Citroën has also equipped it with solar panels for off-grid energy, USB charging points, and a touchscreen infotainment system for navigation, music, and more. This camper van is designed for digital nomads, adventurous couples, or small families who want to experience the world without sacrificing comfort or tech. Citroën has announced that the Type Holidays will officially launch in mid-2026, with pre-orders expected to open earlier in the year. Demand is expected to be high due to its unique blend of vintage style and EV practicality. And what about the price? While exact figures haven't been confirmed, early estimates place it between $55,000 and $65,000, depending on configuration and features. That's a fair trade for a fully electric camper van with this much character and capability. The 2026 Citroën Type Holidays isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle movement. It's a nod to the past, built for the travelers of the future. With its electric soul, stylish design, and practical interior, this is more than just a van. It's a home wherever you park it. Would you take the Type Holidays on your next big adventure? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.